Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Harpreet taught us two different coins simultaneously. What is the probability that she gets at least one head? While tossing two different coins, the outcomes are HH, TT, TH, HT, total 4. Outcomes with at least one head, that is HH, TH, HT. In these three, there is at least one head. So, total 3. Therefore, probability of at least one head equal to 3 by 4. Next question. In a musical chair game, the person playing the music has been advised to stop playing the music at any time within 2 minutes after she starts playing. What is the probability that the music will stop within the first half minute after starting? So, here the total time given is 2 minutes and the music will stop within the first half minute after starting, that is given. So, the favorable time is half minute. Therefore, the probability is half divided by 2. That is equal to half into 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 4. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region shown in figure. What is the probability that it crashed inside the lake? So, this is the figure. This rectangular region is the total portion and this corner part is the lake. So, total outcome is the area of this rectangular region and favorable outcome is the area of this lake. So, area of entire region equal to L into B. Here L equal to 9 km, B equal to 4.5 km. So, that is equal to 9 into 4.5, that is equal to 40.5 km square. Then area of lake. The length of the lake is 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3 km. Breadth of the lake is 4.5 minus 2, that is equal to 2.5. So, area of lake equal to 2.5 into 3, that is equal to 7.5 km square. Probability of helicopter crashed in the lake equal to 7.5 divided by 40.5, that is equal to 5 by 27. A carton consists of 100 shirts, of which 88 are good, 8 have minor defects and 4 have major defects. Jimmy, a trader, will only accept the shirts which are good, but Sujata, another trader, will only reject the shirts which have major defects. One shirt is drawn at random from the carton. What is the probability that? First question, it is acceptable to Jimmy. Second question, it is acceptable to Sujata. So here total number of shirts 100. Number of good shirts 88. Number of shirts with minor defects 8. Number of shirts with major defects 4. Jimmy will accept the shirt only if they are good. So, probability of it is acceptable to Jimmy equal to 88 by 100. That is equal to 22 by 25. Then Sujata will reject the shirts which have major defects. Here only 4 shirts have major defects. Remaining 96 shirts can be acceptable by Sujata. So, probability of it is acceptable to Sujata equal to 96 by 100, that is equal to 24 by 25. 2 dice, one blue and one grey, are thrown at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is first question 8, second question 13, third question less than or equal to 12. So while tossing two dice, the outcomes are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Total 36 outcomes. Then the sum on the top of the dice is 8. The favorable outcomes are 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3, 6 2. In all these cases, if we add the numbers on the dice, we get 8. Total 5. Therefore, probability of sum of the numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8 equal to 5 by 36. Second question, sum is 13. Here you can see the last outcome is 6 6. Its sum is 12. So there is no outcome with the sum of the numbers 13. So the probability is 0 by 36, that is equal to 0. Third question, less than or equal to 12. We have told the last sum is 12. So all the numbers are sum is less than or equal to 12. So we can write all the outcomes are having sum less than or equal to 12. Therefore the probability is 36 by 36, that is equal to 1. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.